one and all. Myself, Dr. Sam Thomas Joy, Assistant Professor, Titus Second Teachers College, Tiruvalla. In the last session, we have studied about the conceptual overview of assessment and evaluation and its functions. Today, we will have a session on the qualitative and quantitative aspects of evaluation. By now, you are all familiar with the terminologies assessment and evaluation.
Now, let us move to the qualitative and quantitative aspects of evaluation. Two of these methods involve evaluating data either quantitatively or qualitatively. Considered opposites by some, quantitative and qualitative methods of evaluation are both beneficial when you are trying to understand a certain outcome or piece of information. Quantitative aspects of evaluation mainly deal with numerical data. It is discrete in nature and continuous. It is always a measurable one, whereas qualitative aspect of evaluation deals with descriptive data based on observations. It involves five senses: see, feel, taste, hear, and smell. Quantitative assessment methods. Numbers are used for interpreting data in quantitative evaluation. It emphasizes on numbers and measurement. Large number of students may be assessed using quantitative methods of assessment. It is deductive in nature. Results can be generalized to a broader audience and situations. It is very popular and widespread way of assessment. Quantitative assessment employs data collection tools including structured interviews, questionnaires, and tests. Qualitative assessment methods. Qualitative evaluation is multi-method in focus. It involves an interpretive, naturalistic approach to its subject matter. Detailed description of situations, events, people interactions, observed behaviors, the use of direct quotations from people about their experiences, attitudes, beliefs, and thoughts are analyzed. Qualitative assessment focuses on understanding how people make meaning of and experience their environment or world. It is narrow in scope. Mainly, it is applicable to specific situations and experiences, but not intended for generalization to broader situations. In qualitative evaluation, teacher is the primary means of data collection. The evaluation can be done through interviews, observations, etc. It is inductive in nature. Here the data is collected as a result of extra effort and work by the teacher. The data collected through interviews, observations, and documents are analyzed qualitatively. Qualitative data contributes unique and valuable perspectives about student learning. Let us once again discuss the key features of quantitative and qualitative aspects of evaluation. Quantitative evaluation focuses on numbers or numeric values, whereas qualitative evaluation focuses on text or narrative from respondents. Quantitative aspects focuses on what and how many, while qualitative aspect focuses on why and how. Quantitative evaluation prioritizes quantities, but qualitative evaluation prioritizes understanding people's lived experiences. Quantitative assessments tell stories with numbers, whereas qualitative assessment tells stories with words to describe incidents, actions, and processes. Quantitative aspects should be accurate and representative, while qualitative aspect should be accurate and credible. Standardized exams are conducted for quantitative evaluation, but continuous long-term assessment is done for qualitative evaluation. In quantitative assessment, time is considered and specific responses, whereas in qualitative assessment, time is not a matter and free responses can be given. Quantitative evaluation focuses on right answer, but open-ended creative answers are welcome for the qualitative assessment. Quantitative aspect is summative in nature, while qualitative aspect is formative in nature. Quantitative assessment is product oriented, whereas qualitative assessment is process oriented. Quantitative evaluation fosters extrinsic motivation, but qualitative evaluation fosters intrinsic motivation. It is widely believed that quantitative evaluation are more reliable and valid than qualitative ones. It is true that they are easier to replicate and administer. However, they do not provide an holistic overview of a student's learning and thinking. When qualitative and quantitative assessment methods are used in combination, a more complete or holistic picture of students' learning is created.
Let me wind up the topic. Hope the qualitative and quantitative aspects of evaluation is clear to all of you. Thank you.